What's up, good people? Today is day 26. I'm Steven from Drum Above, and this is 30-day drum meditation. So day 26. I know the last two have been a bit grueling on the left hand, so don't worry, I'm going to equalize it out and slow it down. We're going to be doing 8th note Flam taps, meaning how it works is it's actually technically just a double, meaning right, left, right, left. Nice and easy, but we're going to be doing a flam on the first double. So flam and then right. So it's going to be, you're going to keep the left hand low, right hand high, and then flam and then right again. Then you're going to switch it up, and then it's, now your right hand's still down there and your left hand is up here, and then flam and then right, left. So it's gonna be flam, left. So it'll be right, flam, flam, right, flam, flam. But it sounds a little bit messy or just all about the place. So let's try to keep everything super duper soft, and then just your flams, beast mode. So it's just gonna be. So, 8th notes, just to give you an example before we get into this, it'll just be. Nice and easy, right? But I want you to flam focus. Focus flam. Flam focus. No, why can't I say this? Flam focus. No. Focus on the flams. I want you to focus on the flams, meaning that you're gonna go flam. I want that pop, not, you know, I want a bit of a, flams are all about that like big hit, man, a big, you know, deep vibes, deepest of vibes. Okay, here we go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Focus on trying to get the accents between alternating hands equal. You don't want to have your left hand up here or your left hand down here comparatively to your right hand being up here when they're supposed to be accented. So accent, if it's going to be up here for the right hand, the left hand will have to be there for the accent. Okay? Once you're getting used to this, I want you to see if you can slowly just release the sticks a bit more. How you do that? By holding them soft, not holding them so tightly. And the answer is yes. If it feels like it's about to fly out your hand, that's the right spot to be. feel comfortable with your accents being the same height, I want you to try to see if you can make the non-accent notes a bit more comfy. Just changing my accent heights, both of them, just to change it up a little bit. If you want to do that, you can go ahead. See if you can get different sounds out of your sticks. Because the whole point of this meditation thing, it's not to like focus on meditating and I am meditating, now meditate. Doesn't work like that. At least from what I understand, and I'm no guru by the way, it's just drumming calms the mind, man. If you do the same thing over and over and over, and you're getting most of the joy out of building muscle memory in your hands for the accents and non-accent notes. Also practicing a rudiment that you wouldn't usually just practice, and with the goal of actually trying to relax the mind and not think about it. Because you don't want to think, playing groove and now I'm gonna play a flam tap. Oh yeah, that's boring, man. Don't be that guy. You want to just add it, you know, while you're doing stuff, and let it just naturally happen in the cone you're playing. And that's how you make it your own, develop your own style. So with that, you're trying to relax your mind by just relaxing this playing. So you don't have to think. So if your mind is going other places, don't do that. Just focus on the wood. Focus on, and also another thing that I try to do is listen to this. Listen to that stick. And not the pad actual hit, but the actual vibration of the stick. And if you're not getting a vibration out of your stick, maybe you should let go a little bit more. And if you let go and it flies out of your hand right now, just a bit less than that. Make sure to keep consistent. Because also, if you can make your sticks sound good on the practice pad, it'll sound a billion times better on the actual drum kit. So try to get the sticks to sing. Get the wood. I mean, this is also wood that vibrates. You know, it's picking up vibrations. And you need to try and make it move to make its own sound and balance. That's what the difference is when you play with quality sticks. And yes, there's debates on brands and stuff, and debates on sizes and whatever. Whatever works for you, work for you, and make it work for you, and you sound different in your own way. And stop trying to sound like everyone else. I'm not gonna. I suppose that's a speech for another day. So more focus on trying to get your sound. trying to make this sound great here. Not by just being able to play it, but making it sound good. Alright, let's hit up 4 more bars, people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing work, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I know this was definitely one to really understand. If I could hope that you would walk away with something today besides just playing the flam tap and getting a meditation out of this, would be also just making your flams feel more popping instead of just that kind of feel where it's dead. And then also the sound of your stick. Not this, more that, to get your stick to sing. Because when you're playing on the drums, I promise, if a rubber pad can make that difference in sound, I promise you a drum's gonna make a huge difference sound, including your cymbals. And actually, everybody gave us a super bad rep. By the way, I just want to put this out there, and if I get into trouble, good thing this video doesn't have that whole subject covered. So if I get caught out here and I get shouted at by other drummers, well, meh. But here's the thing. That sound and that sound, there's no wrong one. It's just you want to have more flow here, and you can actually enjoy yourself by making, to try and change it up. Like for example, I'm not going to go into too much depth with that, but you can actually use it in different styles. If you want more open and, you know, a more open sound and feel, you're obviously going to let go of the stick, and that's going to be more for your older styles of music, and actually sometimes more also with the newer stuff as well. But if you don't want it to resonate so much, you can actually try and see if you can make it a more funk sound. But yeah, if you actually want to hear that, then just, I don't know, message me and I'm happy to chat about it, because it's drums and I can talk about that stuff all day, so I'm fine with this. Send me a message. Anyways, I'm from Drum Above, yes, and that's me, Steven, and this is day 26, 30-day drum meditation. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey, you amazing human beings, because you're a drummer, that's why, naturally. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow. Dang, we're almost at the end of this. This is intense. I hope you're gaining as much as I am from this experience.